Don't be a noob! How to make a Roblox Noob Cake. So my birthday's coming up, and today I'm going to be showing you how to bake your very own Roblox Noob Cake. First, you'll need a bowl, add in some sugar, some butter, and I accidentally forgot eggs, so don't be like me, so add some eggs, and then a few droplets of vanilla. Now add in the dry ingredients and combine flour and baking powder. Now mix this all up to get one big dough. Now pour the batter out into a cake pan and put it in the oven to bake for 30 to 40 minutes until golden brown. In the meantime, let's make the icing. This is the funnest part. Add white vanilla icing and some yellow food coloring. Mix it well. Now we have our yellow icing. Now do the same with the blue food coloring and add it to some vanilla icing. Repeat the same steps for the green. Ooh, it looks like our cake is done baking, finally! Now this is the fun part, we're gonna decorate our cake. Now take your yellow icing, add it to the noob's head and arms. Ta-da! Now it's looking just a little bit more like a noob. Now it's time to turn the body into blue, so add your blue icing. Now we're almost done, we just gotta turn the legs into green, so add the green icing to the legs. Now we're done, it was that easy. That's how you make a Roblox-style noob cake. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite type of cake is. Don't be a noob! Don't forget to subscribe!